Hey guys, Tank here. I decided to do a video series of tips and tricks that I've picked up along the way throughout the years, and here's one of them. Quick tip, if you're removing a solder, sometimes just heating it up takes a long time. If you take some fresh solder and actually put it onto your tip, you can make this process way faster to actually remove the connector. Just like that, it's off. And now we'll do the black one real quick. And again, with the black one, I can just put a little bit of tin onto it. And that really makes it faster to actually heat up the connector to actually take it off. There we go. Now time to put some new one on.